Hello friends, today I'm going to visit Emily's home. Do you like to come with me? Let's go. Yes, Emily is very busy now. She's preparing meals. So what can we do? I found her album. Do you like to see? Let's see. This is Emily. Emily's parents. Father, mother. Grandparents. Grandfather, grandmother. Emily's siblings, brother and sister. Brother's wife, sister-in-law. Yes, to Emily, she is sister-in-law. Emily's brother has 2 children, one son and one daughter. Yes, 2 children. To Emily, he is Emily's nephew. She is Emily's niece. Emily's aunt and uncle. Yes, Emily's aunt, Emily's uncle. Emily's cousins. Emily's husband. His parents. To Emily, father-in-law, mother-in-law. Emily's husband's siblings. To Emily, sister-in-law, brothers-in-law. They are Emily's children and grandchildren. Children and grandchildren. Son, daughter, daughter-in-law, son-in-law, grandsons, granddaughters, granddaughter, grandson. This is Emily's family. To Emily, father, mother, brother, sister. To Emily, they are brother, sister-in-law, nephew, niece. Grandfather, grandmother. Emily's husband. Emily's husband's family. Father-in-law, mother-in-law. Emily's husband's siblings. Sister-in-law, brother-in-law, brother-in-law. Spouse. Emily's son and family. Emily's daughter and family. Emily's uncle, aunt, cousins. Cousin, cousin, cousin. She is Emily's mother's sister. This is Emily's maternal family. Maternal. Who are they? I haven't seen it. Okay, let's see it again. Emily's grandparents. She is Emily's father's sister. They are Emily's father's sister's son and family. Yes, this is her paternal family. Paternal grandparents, maternal grandparents. Do you remember her relations? Do you remember? Shall I check? Let's do a recap. Yes, she's Emily. She's Emily. Who are they? To Emily. Who are they? She's Emily's sister. She's Emily's mother-in-law. She's Emily's niece. Who are they? Who are they to Emily? He is Emily's nephew. He is Emily's father. He is Emily's father-in-law. Who are they? Who are they to Emily? They are Emily's cousins. Well done. You remember well. Thank you. I am Emily's Could you please quickly fill the gaps? Yes, quickly fill it. She's my She's my She's my She's my Did you fill? She's my mother. She's my mother-in-law. She's my grandmother. She's my grandmother. Now you know all relations of mine. That's it today. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.